So over the last 5 years, we've seen a tremendous change in the utility industry. And if you look at the overall cloud transformation across multiple industry sectors, it has been happening for the last 10 years. Right? We see that in many other industries, and just most recently we've seen that in the utility industry. One of the bets we made was based on our legacy and our heritage of working with customers in a fully hosted, fully managed offering, was to build a true software as a service platform for our customers. We noticed that there's a lot of confusion about cloud for utility customers. You ask cloud to 10 different people, you'll probably get 10 different answers. And the reality is if we look at a maturity curve of what is happening in the utility industry, you start to pinpoint what different services providers are offering in the marketplace and how that differentiates from each other. Obviously, we still have the on-premise. A lot of projects are still going in an on-premise mode. But then we have the next evolution, which is really that infrastructure as a service. You see Google and Amazon and others offering, kit and hardware that you can run your program on in a fully hosted environment. You see customers on the next level, which is a platform as a service play, where software companies like SAP and Oracle are offering a fully hosted and a platform around ERP or CIS, and they're offering technical upgrades to that solution so that you're always maintaining some technical currency in that overall application, but it really misses the overall functional aspects of it. What are my rates and my billing, and how do I set up my business? Those are all elements that are part of your functional element of your software solution. The next iteration is really around that offering that full software as a service, right? So you see Salesforce and others that have provided a fully integrated both technology and functional platform that really is homogenized against multiple customers, right? So it's one platform, it's a core central platform, and they continue to enhance and modify that solution. Obviously that software as a service where everybody's trying to get to, but due to the complexities in the utility industry, it's taken everyone a lot to get there. When we built VertexOne, we wanted to go a step beyond all of these offerings and take the benefits of each one of them and provide a solution that was more focused on the real software as a service model, but really took that beyond to the next step. We call it software as a service, but with a business integration aspect to it. It really provides that high touch relationship with our customers. And we start looking at things like adding analytics and understanding how their business is operating and pushing intelligence down to the agents, pushing intelligence to the customer, whether through omni-channel or web, so that we can really change the behavior of not only the agents that are interacting, the employees within inside the utility, but also the customers and how they're engaging with the utility themselves. All to drive behavior and cost profiles that will ultimately drive out operational expense. One might look at that progression and think, wow, that cost must increase at each one, and operational costs are a big concern for a utility, especially when cloud comes in. But when you really look at it from a financial perspective, the ability to drive out operational costs and to really push the envelope with the business integration SaaS is a lot more less costly than any other solution in the marketplace.